Yeah, see this, yeah? See that right there? Okay. Some of hundred children, but wax when I become from you before with my teeth spoon and thing like that. So I figure this time I ain't gonna show Hunter what I make. I gonna give Hunter something that Hunter can go and forget for yourself. Look at that right there. Look one more again. Look one more again. This year the mac and cheese from McKinnon's Wings and Gullatings on Ladies Island, right there, South Kakalaki, Beaufort County. Yeah, the queen going up in there today and thing like that. Oh yeah, and get this here for Nampon. And I said, oh, then trying, but bucks when I've been a show them thing why I've been a Nampon, why I've been cook my own self. So maybe they wouldn't get so vexed this time, yeah. Mm. That's your thing good, yeah? I tell y'all, when I'm telling this the real deal right here, make sure y'all check out the fam right there. Truly, authentically, Gullah Geechee, proud by who we be, going to McKinnon's Wings and Gullah Things. This year the Queen Quet, head on the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Tell y'all, stick with we, and you'll know what business are they truly, authentically Gullah Geechee. Peace and blessing everybody.